If your diesel engine is putting up a fight during cold starts or puffing out thick black smoke every time you turn the key, you might be dealing with a P067C error code, which points directly to a performance issue in the 11th cylinder glow plug circuit. In a diesel world, heat is everything because we rely on high compression instead of a spark to get things moving. And those glow plugs are the unsung heroes that get the combustion chamber red hot so the fuel can actually ignite. When the powertrain control module sees that the voltage for cylinder 11 is acting outside the expected range, it throws this code and often puts your vehicle into a less than ideal driving state. You really want to address this one quickly because it directly affects how your engine breathes and performs, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and annoying misfire. Before you start tearing things or buying expensive parts, make sure you are looking at the correct cylinder, since identifying number 11 can be tricky depending on your specific engine layout. A great pro tip is to pull the glow plug and safely apply battery voltage to see if it actually glows red hot. If it stays dark, you have found your problem. Also, do not just assume the plug itself is bad. Sometimes a loose connector, a blown fuse, or a faulty glow plug timer module is the real villain behind the scene. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for continuity and power at the connector while the system is active. It's easy to get distracted by the wiring, but remember that a failing glow plug can actually cause weird voltage variations that trick the computer into thinking the whole control circuit is fried. So check both the hardware and the harness to save yourself a massive headache.